Okay, I have a 5-pin, I believe it's called a Iseo or Iseo lock. The lock does work. We're going to open this up and gut it. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, we are locked up. I believe this lock does have some spools in it. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway. And we'll start off with this pick. Okay, there was pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. Okay, it's pin 1. Okay, let's go with just a little bit different pick. Okay, there it is, open on pin 1. Alright, let's gut it and see what kind of pins we have in this lock. Okay, let's see if we can get this clip off. Okay, it locked back up, but that's alright, we got a key for it. Okay, there's the clip off. Now, since I don't think I really have a follower that will fit this, I will try this one, but it may or may not work. We may hang pins up everywhere. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's not going to work. Okay, let's try it like this. See if we can get it out this way. Then we'll look at the pins. Alright, this be pin number 5 coming up. Okay, there's, whoops, that's number 1. Okay, this is number 5. Looks like a spool. Okay, there's a key pin that fell out. See if we can get part of these pins out, and then we'll get the rest of them out. There's another pin fell. Okay, and that one fell. I think they're all spools, is the way it feels. Okay, we still haven't got one of the pins out. Okay, it looks like one of the pins might be stuck in the chamber. Let's see if we can get a close-up of it and look at it. Okay, there's one pin stuck in pin number 2. Or is that a spring? Maybe that's a spring. Okay, now all 5 pins are here. We just got to take the key pins now. Okay, it's just plug is just a standard plug. See if we can look at the key pins and top pins. Let's get a close-up of them. Okay, little small spools in the top, standard key pins, and the next two just standard key pins and little small spools, except for this one. That one looks like a weird type of looks like it might be tapered on the end. And then the last one is is another spool. So they have all little small spools in this lock. Okay, that's what we have in this Iseo lock, or Iseo 5-pin lock. Has spools and one tapered standard pin on the end. Okay, our next video is going to concern this lock. This is a 7-pin FAC lock. This lock is made a little bit different than most locks. It has 2 plugs in it. It has a rear plug with 4 pins and a front plug with 3 pins. If you pick this front plug and this core or the plug turns, you think you have it picked. Well, you don't. You still got to get these other pins picked because of that second plug. So, and this one has a pin that is sticking in it, so I may have to disassemble this lock and hope I can get it back together to find out why that one pin is sticking. But as soon as I can, I will make a video on this lock and gut it. Alright, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.